Hello everyone, welcome to Solution Talk. So today we will solve this error, zip exception. So this is come up when we create a Flutter application. So let's see how we can solve this error. So first we will go to our VS Code. We will create one project here, Flutter application. So go to our directory. Create a new project, Flutter create demo 0. Now Flutter will create a project for us. It's done. Our Flutter project has been done. So now we will check it is done or not. Yeah, it is done. So we will go inside it. Demo 02. Okay, we are inside this project. Okay, now we will run this project in web. Flutter run -d Chrome. See, our project has been done on Chrome. Yeah, project has been run on Chrome browser. So we will quit from this. Now let's see, we can run this project in our mobile. Flutter run. So my Redmi device is connected and we get an error. It says exception in thread main java.util.zip.ZipException. Error in opening zip file. So running reader task. Reader throw an error while downloading artifact from the network. We try to download exception in thread main java.util.zip.exception. So now let's see how we can solve this. So first we will open this project in our Flutter VS Code. So open. Okay. So our project has been opened in our VS Code. Now to solve this error, we need to simply change some auto-generated configure file. So here we have Gradle version. So we simply need to change this Gradle version to 6.6.1. After that, save this project. Now run this project. Run. So it has generated one file here. It is taking too much time. I will fast forward these two so you the result. Oh, now the build has been started installing the Flutter app. The project has been started now. The error has been solved. So this is how we can solve this error by simply changing the Gradle version in Gradle-wrapper.property. It is depend this Gradle version is depend on your project, your Flutter installation. So whenever this error comes, just try to set up this Gradle recent version. Okay. So this way you can solve this problem. Thank you and hope this will help you all. See you in the next video.